You had surgery before,
Yes,
and the operation was what? What operation did you
I had a full knee replacement on my right knee.
What was the big issue that you were having?
I could not bend my leg, and I was in pain, like I never had it done.
And how long had that gone on?
I had it done in December of 2018.
So about almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years, yes.
When you were trying to go back and get help, what were you being told or what was happening?
Oh, I did so many tests where they injected me with nuclear material so that they could take it. They said it was loose. They said I had an infection. They said all kinds of stuff, and
Were you concerned that you were going to have to go back to surgery?
yes, and I did not want to do that.
If you had infection, what did they tell you was going to happen?
They were gonna have to probably clean out the bone and maybe even cut off more bone than was already cut off before. A horror story in my eyes.
Frightening.
Yes.
That's when we saw them. They were okay. They were put in properly, but you never got the motion.
No.
So the muscles were a little tight. But once we stretched them out while you were asleep, then you could use them again.
Oh yes.
So that's what we call the closed manipulation. Closed manipulation. We always, when we find someone like you, we believe it's going to help, like today.
And it did.
Excellent.
It did. It helped a lot. I was able to get in and off the boat so I could go fishing.
What did you do? You went fishing?
I went fishing. I flew to New Mexico.
Yes.
My sister lives on a lake and she has a boat, and we went out fishing because I like fishing, and yes.
That's a great way to celebrate. Procedure, the closed manipulation, how long was it before you knew that there was more bend in the knee?
Oh, the same day.
Did it hurt?
No.
So what did you notice?
It was easier to walk. I wasn't limping. I was not in any pain at all, which was hallelujah.
Wow.
Because felt like I've been in pain forever. And, it's just awesome.